Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a photo frame stand. First, gather your materials like cardboard or thin wood. Cut two pieces, one for the main support and another for the base. Angle the top edge of the support piece to lean back slightly. Then, firmly attach the bottom of the support piece to the base using a strong craft glue or small screws. This creates a basic, stable stand for your cherished photo. For an easel-style stand, you will need 3 pieces of material. 2 pieces form the front support, and one acts as the adjustable back leg. Hinge the 2 front pieces together at their top edges, allowing them to open and close. Then, attach the 3rd piece to the back of one front piece, about 1/3 of the way down, so it can pivot. This design offers adjustable viewing angles for your picture. An integrated back support offers a clean, seamless look. Begin by cutting the back piece of your frame with an extra extension at the bottom, perhaps 2 inches long. Score a line across this extended portion, approximately 1 inch from the very bottom edge. Carefully fold this scored section inward, creating a small, sturdy foot. This simple fold provides a stable base, allowing your frame to stand upright without any visible external support. When making your stand, selecting the right materials is key. Sturdy cardboard, thin wood, or even acrylic sheets work wonderfully. Always ensure your cuts are precise and straight. This is crucial for a balanced and stable stand that won't wobble. Use strong adhesives, like wood glue or super glue, or small fasteners for a lasting hold. With careful construction, your photo frame stand will beautifully display your memories for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.